In this session let us see how to edit foundations with symmetry option on and how to delete the foundations. We can see 6 foundations are there from A1 to A6 and its X symmetric points F1 to F6. Open the Foundation Manager. As we can see, all the foundations have the same phase and concrete mix, that is phase 7 and M45 respectively on both A and F row. Select X symmetry. Change the size of the foundations from A1 to A6. Change the phase to phase 5 and concrete mix to M40. Click the OK button. You can see change in the foundation sizes. To see a change in the data, let us open the Foundation Manager again. You can see the change in data for the foundations on A as well as F row. Let's see how to delete the foundations. Select X symmetry. Select None for the foundation type and row A1. Click the OK button. You can see there are no foundations on A1 and F1.